Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. Today's topic is the Fender Microtilt. This particular unit is installed on actually a pretty interesting guitar. It's a 2013 Fender Dark Knight, but it's a prototype. So this is kind of cool. That would explain why, the neck says 2010 and the probably says 2013. There's some other indicators and stuff in there, but back to the point at hand. The Microtilt, you may have engaged it or used it where there's a port in the back and you use a hex drive to change the tilt of your neck to improve or change the action at the bridge, okay? There's our bridge out there, okay, with the shim in it for safety purposes. By the way, if you're new to this channel, thanks for coming out. Hope you get something out of this, a little bit of advice. Advice is worth what it's worth, but, this is experience talking. What about this Microtilt? Well, here's the thing. Personally, I stay away from it. I avoid it like the plague, and I'll explain why. Because as soon as you engage this grub screw here, you introduce an air pocket. You no longer have the face of the neck married to the face of the body. You lose vibrational transmission. I can't say it more plain than that. So by going like this, by tilting that up, what you're doing is you're introducing that pocket, that air pocket. Okay, so now your points of contact in this instance are going to be here, here, and here. 3 minor points. Now this can be better or worse depending on the instrument, but in general, like I said, I avoid it like the plague. My preferred method of dealing with a neck adjustment of this kind, that is changing the pitch angle, is to just throw a shim in there. Using sandpaper, you can get pretty much whatever thickness you want, and you can step it, you can, fold it over, and it does a great job. Anywho, that's my opinion on such things. So I will have more to say on this at some point in the future, but I wanted to bring this up. If you have something like this, I would advise not using it. It's a bad idea. Sorry, I have to say it that way. I'm not a fan of these things at all. And when I put the neck back on, I will snug it up in the back, but I will not torque it. I won't engage it. It has to be at least tight enough so that it doesn't rattle or come loose or something like that. But it's not effectual against the actual plate. Okay. Anyway, I've said my piece. Shim away if you have to. Don't use this. Not a fan. And that's it. Again, my name is Steve. This is GuitarNiche. Read the description below for some freebies. Go to GuitarNiche.com for some more freebies. And as always, play loud, have fun, have a great day. Cheers.